So this is my social studies journal. Mine's purple. Yours can be whatever color you like. But I'm going to start my first page, and I'm going to write my social studies journal. So my social studies journal. And really, social studies is about learning about you in your community, okay? So sometimes your community is your school, okay? Sometimes your community is your family. And so for the pictures I put around here, I'm gonna draw, and I'm just gonna do little stick people because I don't need it to be super detailed. So I can show a stick people family. I can show a school, and kind of a really traditional looking school kind of has like the room for a bell at the top. Okay, I might put a bell there. Okay, so that's like a really old fashioned school. Okay, but your community can also be bigger than just your family or your school. Like your community is Georgetown, Texas. And one of the things that Georgetown, Texas is famous for is the red poppies. And so I'm going to just draw like a red poppy. Okay. And red poppies have kind of this blackness kind of in the middle. All right. So I drew a red poppy to represent my city, Georgetown, Texas. Okay. My community can also be my state. And I find the state of Texas really hard to draw. But I could draw like, I could draw cowboy boots, okay, because that's something people think of when they think of Texas. Okay, I'm going to draw a pair of cowboy boots. Okay. I think I made that one a little too. Okay. Or I could draw a building that looks like a state capitol building, like with the columns. Okay. Like an official looking building. Okay. All right. So you in social studies will be learning about your community, like as a family, as a school, as a city, as a state. Okay. We also learn about rules and laws. Okay. So I could draw like a sheriff's badge. Okay. Stars are hard for me, but I'm going to do my best. Okay. And a lot of times those badges have those little circles around them. Okay. So we have rules and laws. Okay. So you just want to draw some things around that show what we're going to be learning about in social studies. So something that shows your family, your school, your city, your state, and then something about laws. And like this kind of to me looks like kind of like a courthouse. So that also makes me think about laws. Okay. So you're going to draw that. And then you are going to, if you'd like, add some detail. So something like that where you've added detail. And then if you have any assignments from All About Me, the Social Studies Choice Board, you can go ahead and put those in here. If you don't, that's fine too. My main goal was for you to get your first page done.